Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Elevate your PUBG Mobile skills instantly by diving into intense one-on-one duels. Using a room card allows you to create private matches, perfect for focused practice and skill refinement. This tailored environment helps you master aiming, movement, and quick decision-making against a single opponent. It is the most effective way to identify and fix your weaknesses, ensuring you dominate in future battle royales. Get ready to transform your gameplay. Acquiring a room card is simpler than you might think, opening up a world of custom matches. Many players earn theirs by consistently completing weekly activity missions, often receiving one for free. Alternatively, you can purchase a room card directly from the in-game shop using Gcoin or keep an eye out for special events. These events frequently offer cards as rewards, making them accessible to everyone ready to practice. Once you have your room card, creating a private match is straightforward and quick. From the main lobby, simply tap on Mode Select and then find the Room tab at the bottom of your screen. Now, select Create Room, choose your favorite map like Livik or Erangel, and definitely set a password for privacy. Confirm your choices, and your custom one-on-one arena will be ready for action, just for you. With your room created, it is time to invite your opponent and fine-tune the match settings for an epic duel. Send an invite directly from your friend list, ensuring only your chosen rival joins. Carefully adjust parameters like weapon spawns, starting gear, and health kit availability to create a balanced challenge. Discuss specific rules beforehand, perhaps a no-vehicle rule or only bolt action snipers, ensuring a truly fair and skill-based encounter. Your one-on-one matches are an invaluable training ground. Use them wisely to master your skills. Focus on refining specific aspects of your gameplay, whether it is rapid-fire hip shots or precise long-range sniping. After each intense duel, review your replays to identify mistakes, learn from your opponent, and refine your tactics. Consistent practice and a commitment to improvement will undoubtedly transform you into a formidable PUBG Mobile player. Keep pushing your limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.